Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable Game Booster and boost FPS on Galaxy Z Flip 8. So the Game Booster is a pre-installed feature that cannot be enabled or disabled on your smartphone, but we can still adjust it by finding the Game Hub or Gaming Hub application on our phone, opening it, and here we'll be able to adjust the Game Booster settings by tapping the three-dot icon in the top right corner and selecting Game Booster menu. Here we can select the Gaming Motion Smoothness, changing it between 120 and 60 Hz, and we can also enable or disable saving power during touch protection. And also, if your smartphone is charging, you can pause power delivery charging while gaming. Now, to start the Game Booster, you're gonna have to launch any game on your smartphone, and then you will find the Gaming Hub icon either in the bottom left corner of your screen if you have the 3-button navigation, or on the left side as an openable bar. So once you tap on the Game Hub icon, you can select the performance mode, and this will boost your device's FPS, your application's FPS, by increasing GPU and CPU usage on your smartphone. You can also adjust the game mode, set up the game mode in modes and routines. You can check the system monitor. You can use the touch booster. You can basically access all of these quick actions in this menu. And if you want to save some battery on your phone, you can reduce the resource usage by selecting battery saver. And if you hold your finger down on one of these modes, you can also enable some advanced settings and set the FPS to the desired level, enable or disable the frame booster, and adjust the screen resolution of your game. And that's how you use the Game Booster on your Samsung. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.